In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Zoho Writer. If you're looking to brand your documents or simply want to add an extra layer of protection, adding a watermark is an excellent way to do so. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be adding watermarks like a pro. First, let's get started by opening Zoho Writer. You should already be familiar with the workspace, but in case you aren't, it's the area where you'll see all your document content. Now, to begin the process of adding a watermark, you'll want to locate the Settings menu. You'll see an icon commonly referred to as the burger icon because it has 3 lines stacked horizontally like a hamburger. It's typically in the top left corner of your screen, and clicking on it will reveal additional settings options. Once inside the Settings menu, you'll need to navigate over to the Page Setup section. It's from here you'll be given the option to delve into design aspects of your document. Click on Design, which allows you to explore various formatting settings, one of which is the Watermark feature. Now look for the Watermark option within this menu and click on it. This is going to be your main hub for managing and customizing the watermarks that you want to apply to your document. At this point, you'll see an option to Enable Watermark. Make sure you click on this, as it activates the watermark feature for your document. This step is crucial. Without enabling it, your watermark won't appear on your pages. The next step is where you get to be creative. Enter your preferred watermark text. Think about what message or brand logo you want displayed on your document. It could be your company name, a confidentiality notice, or anything else that suits your needs. Finally, after entering your preferred watermark, it's time to apply it to your document. Simply click on the Apply button. Zoho Writer does a fantastic job of promptly updating your document to reflect the watermark, and you should see it appear immediately. Take a moment to review and ensure your watermark looks the way you want it to. By following these steps, you can easily incorporate watermarks into your Zoho Writer documents, adding a professional touch and ensuring your work is branded or protected according to your requirements. Remember, whether it's for personal, professional, or legal reasons, watermarks can be an essential tool in document management. Happy writing, and see you in the next tutorial.